Are your Instagram message not working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple fixes that actually work. So let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. A quick trick, just turn airplane mode on and then off, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Many times the problem gets fixed right here. Now the second fix, go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on apps and find Instagram. Here make sure all permissions are allowed. Also turn on background data so the app can run smoothly. Next, try logging out and logging back in. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines on the top right. Now scroll down and tap log out. Wait a few seconds and then log in again. This refreshes your account and can fix the issue. Now the last fix, and this one is very important. If your age is set incorrectly, Instagram may block some features like messaging. To fix this, go to your profile, tap the 3 lines, then go to account types and tools. Scroll down, tap other, then minimum age, and update to your correct age. That's it. Try these simple fixes and your messages should start working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.